student, welcome to the virtual class. In the previous video we have discussed about the diversity and the people, how they belonging to the different religion or region live in our country. But is this diversity is always appreciated by everyone, students? No, this diversity is not always appreciated by everyone. People create certain opinion about others based on their region in which they are living, caste from they belong, and the religion which they have, which they choose to celebrate their festivals. So class, in this chapter we will discuss about the prejudice and the stereotype. Now the point is this: what is the stereotype? So students, how are you thinking about the people who looks different from you? जो आपसे अलग नज़र आते हैं, how can you treat looks them? You just think positive or to negative. So class, the prejudice means to see or judge the other people in a negative or inferior manner without knowing much about them is known as the prejudice. I repeat again, the negative thinking about some other or seeing them inferior is called the prejudice. Now class, on the basis of this prejudice or the thinking, your prejudice have four types, that are gender prejudice, racial prejudice, age prejudice, and the class prejudice. Gender prejudice means discrimination या thinking about the gender, male and the female, boy or the girl. Is it clear? When we have negative opinion about anyone, either for the boys or the girls, that is called the gender prejudice. Now come to the racial prejudice. What is the racial prejudice, beta? Racial prejudice means think on the basis of their thinking. If we consider that somebody is inferior in our mind, according to our opinion only, so this is called the racial prejudice. For example, if the owner of a hotel or a restaurant not employ a person to whom he just considered that he is inferior from us, so that's why this prejudice is known as the racial prejudice. Now come to the next point, that is the age prejudice. Beta, what is the age? The thinking about the different age people is known as the age prejudice. Like your old age people thinking is different from the young age people, so the negative thinking about the old age one or the young age one is known as the age prejudice. Now come to the class prejudice, beta. Class prejudice means the thinking in which we have the opinion according to their class wise, like the upper class, middle class, or the lower class. When we think a certain class of people inferior from the others, so such prejudice is known as the class prejudice. So class, is it clear about the prejudice? There are how many types of prejudice? Gender prejudice, racial prejudice, age prejudice, and class prejudice. Now beta, the point, let's start that why prejudice happen. आपकी prejudice happen कैसे होती है? It happens when people have wrong beliefs or opinion and ideas about anyone. For example, if you think that English is the most superior language and others are inferior to it, then you are judging the people or the language who speaks in these by these people negatively. So it can be based on many things like people's religious belief, मतलब लोगों के विश्वास जो उनका अपने धर्म पर है उस पर, एंड द रीजन दे केम फ्रॉम, जिस रीजन से वो लोग आए हैं, जिस एरिया से वो लोग आए हैं, एज वेल एज द कलर ऑफ देयर स्किन, उनका कलर कैसा है स्किन का, or the cloth they wear. Means when we start to think about anyone according to their religion, their region, their color or the cloth is known as the prejudice. Now, how can we remove this? Overcome from this prejudice? We can overcome from this prejudice by trying to understand the people. Means people before judging them. Means when we start, अगर हम कोशिश करें कि हम लोग स्टॉप करते जजिंग करना जब तक कि हम उनके बारे में नहीं जानते. मीन्स व्हेन वी स्टॉप प्रीजुडाइज प्री जजमेंट. सो by this we can overcome from the prejudice. The second point is, if we give the chance to get to know each other. अगर हम लोग अपने मन में ये बात ध्यान रख लें कि हमें एक दूसरे को समझना है, बेटर बिफोर मेकिंग एनी ओपिनियन अबाउट देम, बजाय कि उनके बारे में कोई भी अपनी विचार रखने के, अपने ओपिनियन रखने के. नेक्स्ट, रिस्पेक्ट एंड एक्सेप्ट डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ आवर कंट्री. हमें अपनी कंट्री के हर एक रिलीजन, हर एक रीजन, हर एक फूड हैबिट्स मीन्स एवरीथिंग की रिस्पेक्ट भी करनी है और उस डाइवर्सिटी को एक्सेप्ट भी करना है. द लास्ट पॉइंट, इफ़ वी ट्रीट द पीपल द वे वी लाइक टू बी ट्रीटेड बाय आवरसेल्फ. मीन्स हम लोगों को स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा उसी तरीके से लोगों को ट्रीट करना जैसी हम उनसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. कि इफ़ वी वांट टू गेट द रिस्पेक्ट, दैट मीन्स फर्स्टली वी हैव टू गिव द रिस्पेक्ट टू देम. सो क्लास, is it clear about the prejudice? Now come to the next point, that is the stereotype. So class, what is the stereotype? Stereotype means when we fix an image or an idea for a group of people without knowing his or her likes or dislikes, it is called the prejudice. Stereotype. So stereotype means बेटा that stereotype limits us, हमें रोकता है from looking at each other, किसी भी एक पर्सन को देखने के लिए as a special individual. मीन्स जब हम किसी को भी उसकी टैलेंट और उसकी स्किल्स के थ्रू स्पेशल इंडिविजुअल कंसीडर नहीं करते हैं, वो पॉइंट आपका क्या कहलाता है? स्टीरियोटाइप. आई रिपीट अगेन, द स्टीरियोटाइप लिमिट अस from looking at each person as a special individual with his or her own talent and skills. Now I am just giving you one example. First of all, I just asked to you that what type of toys or gifts you choose if a boy baby is born at your home. अगर आपके घर पर एक बॉय बेबी बोर्न होता है तो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ टॉयज़ और गिफ्ट्स यू जस्ट बॉट फॉर हिम? कार, बाइक, क्रिकेट किट, फुटबॉल, टेडी बियर्स एक्सेट्रा, राइट? एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ टॉयज़ और क्लॉथ यू चूज इफ़ अ गर्ल बेबी बोर्न? लाइक द बार्बी डॉल, किचन सेट, प्रिटी ड्रेसेस, हेयर बैंड्स, क्लिप्स एक्सेट्रा. एम आई राइट? बेटा यही सब चीज़ें होती है ना. सेम एज I am also giving one example of the like this. Some of the peoples are saying, mostly the peoples are saying, yeah, we have the thinking about the boys that the boys do not cry. Boys cry नहीं करते हैं. They are brave. While जबकि the stereotype about the girls is these girls are the soft spoken as well as they are the well behaved. They treat in a well manner. So class clear? तो is it the point that कि boys कभी रोते नहीं हैं या girls is always speaks politely to each other? It may be possible or not ना. या फिर हम इसका example दें, is it possible that each and every child is good in maths? क्या हर कोई बच्चा मैथ में गुड हो सकता है? नो ना. तो मीन्स जब हम किसी भी एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल को इंडिकेट कर देते हैं कि ये पर्सन इस काम को कर भी सकते हैं या नहीं भी कर सकते, सो सच काइंड ऑफ थिंकिंग और आइडिया कम्स अंडर द स्टीरियोटाइप. सो क्लास, आई होप दैट यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द स्टीरियोटाइप and the prejudice. Now class, point is there that is stereotype and prejudice harmful to anyone? क्या ये किसी के लिए harmful होते हैं? If yes, then why? Answer is yes, they both are harmful as they do not focus on likes, dislikes, abilities or disabilities of a person or a group. क्योंकि आपका स्टीरियोटाइप और प्रीजुडाइज दोनों ही किसी एक पर्सन की लाइक्स को, डिसलाइक्स को, जो उन्हें पसंद है, उन्हें नहीं पसंद है, वो क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते, इन सब चीज़ों पे फोकस करने के बगैर ही यहाँ पर ओपिनियंस रखी जाती हैं. सो क्लास, आई होप that these points are clear to you. In the next video we will discuss about the discrimination.